Hi everyone, it's Rachel here and I just want to welcome you back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can take the cards that are already preset, pre-built here in Cricut Design Space and how you can customize them to your own. So over here underneath projects, and I've filtered it out to cards, I'm going to show you this card here. So when I click on this card, it says birthday queen and you see the name here, but it doesn't allow you to customize it. It's just making you go ahead to make it right away. So I'm just choosing my card base, which is 4¼ by 5½, and I'm going to go ahead and click on make it. So it's now going to bring me to the next screen here is where you're going to actually go ahead and start preparing your card. But once again, I want to customize this to a specific name, giving it to my sister. So once this is sorted out by the mats, by the color, I'm going to show you how you can now go ahead and actually customize it. All right, so now that the card has been loaded, over here, if I select the third mat, you see where it says birthday queen and you have the name here. But again, over here is not allowing you to put in the specific name. So over here at the top next to prepare, you're going to see 3 lines. You're going to click on the lines and then you're going to go ahead and select canvas. So it's now going to bring you back to your canvas. And from here, you're going to be able now to customize and put the name. So to select the name, you're just going to go ahead and select the name here. I'm going to clear that out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and type in my sister's name. All right, so now I have the name here on the card, and then these 2 other pieces, I actually don't want them to cut out, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete them. All right, so now that I have my customized card, I'm going to go ahead and select Make It, and now this is going to connect to my Cricut Joy for me to be able to cut out this customized card for my sister. I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and customize the writing on a card. So here in Cricut Design Space underneath projects and cards, and I filtered out through birthday, I really like this card here. I like the design with the cupcakes, but it's written here in Spanish, happy birthday. So for me to customize and change this into English where it says happy birthday, I'm going to go ahead and select the card. I'm going to go ahead and choose my card base. So it's going to be 4¼ by 5½. And then I'm going to go ahead and select make it. So from here, it's going to go ahead and add it to the mat. All right, so it's been added here to the mat. So what I'm going to do is at the very top, next to prepare, I see the 3 lines here. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then I'm going to go ahead and select canvas. All right, so in this case here, everything is attached together. So what I'm going to do is over here at the bottom, I'm going to select where it says detach. So now the font here is separated from the actual cut piece here. So I'm going to go ahead and select this part. I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I don't need that portion. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and select the text box and I'm going to type in happy birthday. I'm going to change the cut orientation here to a pen because this is going to be drawn out. And then I want to change the style to writing. All right, so that looks perfect. It's a little bit too big, so let's go ahead and I'm going to resize it down. And that looks pretty good. And I just need to change the orientation to it like that. I'm going to bring it over here, kind of have it here in the middle. Let's move it down a little bit, kind of eyeing it out. All right, so I think that looks pretty good, but what I can do is I can select it here, and then I'm going to select a line, and then I'm going to select vertically. Okay, perfect. So it's just aligned it perfectly. Now that it's all been selected, very important, I need to select the attach at the bottom because if I don't attach it, then it's going to be cutting out. So I should say writing out on a separate piece, and we want everything to cut and write out together for the card. Also too, if you want to save this, for another project to make other cards, at the top here, you can click on save and then save as, and you can retitle it to whatever you like. So you can definitely make more cards in the future. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead here and click on make it. So this is going to connect to my Cricut Joy for it to complete and cut everything out. So I hope you were able to learn something new today, how you can take the preset cards that are already in Cricut Design Space and how you can customize them to your own. So if you like this video, you can go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the different videos that I will be launching on my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have yourself a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.